Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. It's an honor to come your way again with another amazing recipe. In this recipe we are making Ghana party chips. This was superb and crunchy as well. Let's get into the video. In a bowl I'll go in with all my dry ingredients, and the first one I'm going in is my flour. I'm using 3 cups, and after that I went in to grate my nut milk. Also, I'll go in with my milk powder, some salt, and mix everything together. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, you are most welcome. And please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and be part of this amazing family. And I just want to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming through to watch my video and also leave a comment under my post. I do appreciate it a lot. To my new families too, you guys are welcome on board. So at this point I will go in with my 1/4 cup of margarine or butter and then mix them together with the flour. Okay fam, so what I have here is some onions and garlic, and I'll go ahead and grate them. After that I will set it aside. So you can also follow me on Facebook to watch my videos and also watch my short videos on Instagram and TikTok, and the name is Getty Cooks. It is totally free. You don't have to pay anyone in order for you to follow me. Alright, so after grating, I went ahead to add it to the dry ingredients and mix them together. So if you are still with me up to this time, thank you so much, and I do appreciate it. So now I'll go in with the water bit by bit until a dough is formed. Okay, so now on my work surface I sprinkle some flour on my table and then roll my dough to be very flat. So actually I didn't roll it to be very thin like the normal one. This chip was a request from a friend and she didn't want it very light. She wanted it a little bit thick, so that is what I did. And even though you can see that it was flat, but it was a little bit heavy, and that is how she wanted it, and I did it for her. So this is what I was saying. It looks a little bit heavy but not too light. And after that, this is how I'll be tearing it into the oil. Alright guys, so I went ahead to heat up my oil, and after some time I wanted to check the hotness, so I dropped some of the unfried dough into the oil. It was hot and I went in with the remaining dough. So this is how I'll be tearing it into the oil, and as time goes on I'll be stirring it from time to time. Okay, lovelies, here is the final result of our party chips. This came out so perfect. It was so crunchy as well. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.